AI is quietly creating a new class of winners and losers. Some people hate it, some people fear it, and others are quietly using it to build entire income systems from their laptops. And guess what? That divide is only going to get bigger in 2026. Now, I'm not here to sell dreams or hype. This video is all facts. Every tool I'll show you is being used right now by real businesses and creators to work faster and smarter. But quick disclaimer before we continue. Nothing here is financial advice. This video is made only to educate and inspire safe, responsible use of AI tools. So, let's get started. Because whether you love AI or hate it, one thing's for sure. Ignoring it might just be the most expensive decision of this decade. Chapter 1. Tool number 1. Perplexity Comet. AI browser for research and productivity. Let's start with something you probably didn't expect. An AI browser. Yes, an actual browser built for productivity. It's called Perplexity Comet, and it's changing how people research, work, and learn online. Now here's the fun part. Comet doesn't just search like Google. It sees what's on your screen and works with it. You can ask it to find a working discount code on a website, summarize a YouTube video, or even locate the exact moment Steve Jobs talked about creativity, and it does it in seconds. In one of the recent AI podcasts, the creator explained how Comet can open a video, read the transcript, and instantly play the exact part you asked for. Imagine how much time that saves if you're studying or building content. But it doesn't stop there. You can tell Comet to find someone who worked on Apple AI and now works on Meta. It searches LinkedIn and shows you real profiles. And if you want to email that person, Comet can even help write and send that email through your Gmail. That's powerful. This is not some futuristic idea. This tool already exists, and it's free to use for now. For anyone doing research, recruiting, or content creation, Comet feels like a research assistant that never sleeps. And here's the part that might trigger a few people. Once you try it, you might never go back to Chrome. Some people say switching back feels like moving from a Tesla to a bicycle. So try it and see if you can ever browse the old way again. Chapter 2. Tool number 2. Try Shortcut.ai. AI for financial data and analysis. Now let's move from browsing to something even more practical. Money data. For most of us, spreadsheets are a nightmare. Formulas, charts, endless numbers. But a new tool called Try Shortcut.ai is fixing that problem fast. It's basically an AI-powered version of Excel that anyone can use. You upload your data, ask a question in plain English, and Shortcut gives you a clear answer. No formulas, no macros, no headache. This tool was created by a top research team that wanted to make financial analysis as simple as chatting. In one of the AI podcasts, users showed how it could build income statements, DCFs, or even rank stocks by performance in seconds. They even asked it which company Warren Buffett would pick based on financial data, and it gave a full breakdown. What makes it special is that it doesn't just look at your sheet. It can pull real-time data from the web to give more context. That's a huge leap for anyone managing a business or portfolio. But let's be clear. Always be careful with sensitive data. Avoid uploading personal or confidential files. If you're working with public or simple datasets, this tool is a game changer. And the best part? It already has an Excel plugin. You can use it without leaving your spreadsheet. Only a few hundred users have rated it so far, which means it's still early. Imagine being one of the first people to master something that could soon become the standard for data work. So if Excel makes your head spin, Shortcut might just be your new best friend. Chapter 3. Tool number 3. Go High Level plus AI Voice Agents for agencies and freelancers. Next up, Let's talk about a platform that's powering hundreds of small agencies around the world. It's called Go High Level. And if you've ever tried running a business online, this one's worth paying attention to. Think of it as a full business command center. It builds websites, runs email campaigns, books calls, and now it even uses AI voice agents to talk to leads. Yes, real AI voices that can answer questions and qualify customers before you ever get on a call. In one of the agency tutorials, the founder explained how Go High Level replaced 5 different tools in his business. He used to pay for a CRM, an email app, a booking app, a form builder, and a chat system. Now, all of that runs inside one dashboard. And here's where it gets interesting. Those AI voice agents can follow up with leads automatically. Someone fills out a form, and within minutes, the AI calls or texts them, answers questions, and even books appointments. No human needed. It's not about replacing people. It's about automating the boring stuff so you can focus on real work. Many freelancers and agencies now use it to manage multiple clients at once. It saves time, reduces no-shows, and increases conversions. It costs around $100 per month, but for most businesses, that's less than what they pay for lunch meetings. The ROI comes from saved hours and smoother client systems. And if you're wondering whether AI voices actually sound human, the short answer is yes, sometimes too human. Some people even joke that AI assistants are better at follow-ups than most sales reps. So, if you've been looking for a practical AI tool that brings real results, Go High Level might be your first stop. Chapter 4. Tool number 4, Reel Farm. AI content automation for TikTok and Reels. Now, let's talk about content. Short videos are everywhere. TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts. But making them every day is exhausting. That's where Reel Farm comes in. Reel Farm is an AI tool that automates content creation. You give it an idea, a topic, or even a few images, and it creates complete slideshow-style videos. These are the same slideshows you see going viral every day on TikTok, the ones that make you stop scrolling. Here's how it works. Reel Farm can pull images from platforms like Pinterest. It arranges them, adds captions, music, and transitions, and delivers ready-to-upload videos. You can schedule them directly for posting too. All of this takes less than a minute. And it doesn't stop there. Reel Farm also has a feature called UGC avatars. These avatars look real and speak like human presenters. You can use them to promote products, review brands, or narrate stories. But remember, always disclose that it's AI-generated content. Transparency builds trust. In one AI-focused podcast, creators explained how companies are already using Reel Farm to run entire ad campaigns with no filming at all. Just prompts and edits. TikTok is even boosting slideshow-style videos right now, which means there's massive reach potential. Now, here's the controversial part. Some people believe this kind of content will kill creativity, but others say it will free creators from burnout. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. If you create digital content or run ads, Reel Farm might become your silent partner in 2026. Chapter 5. Tool number 5, AI Apply. Smart Job Application Automation. Alright, the last one is for job seekers and freelancers. It's called AI Apply. And honestly, it's one of the most practical uses of AI I've seen lately. AI Apply automates the entire job hunting process. You upload your resume, set your preferences, and it applies to hundreds of jobs automatically. It writes cover letters, fills out forms, and even prepares answers for interview questions. This tool also includes an interview buddy. That means you can practice real interview scenarios using AI voice simulation. It asks questions and gives feedback so you can sound confident when the real one happens. In one discussion, a founder mentioned that over 1 million people have already used AI Apply to send out applications. It's becoming a quiet trend for people who want an edge in a competitive job market. But there's a catch. Recruiters now have to filter through AI-generated resumes. So, as with any new tech, balance is key. Use it to save time, not to spam. For those struggling to get noticed, AI Apply might just be the extra push they need. Chapter 6. Honorable Mentions. Before we wrap up, let me give 2 quick shoutouts. First, WhisperFlow. It's an AI speech-to-text tool that lets you talk to your computer and see it type instantly. Perfect for anyone who hates typing or needs to work faster. Second, Enhancer AI. This tool helps you create AI-generated video avatars safely for ads and presentations. Both are incredible for creators and professionals. If you guys want me to make a part 2 with more underrated AI tools like these, make sure to comment below. I'd love to know which one you want me to cover next. Closing thoughts. The real takeaway. Alright, so we've covered 5 real AI tools that can actually make your work life easier in 2026. We talked about Perplexity Comet for smarter browsing, try Shortcut for effortless data analysis, Go High Level for automation, Real Farm for content creation, and AI Apply for job hunting. Now, here's the big takeaway. These tools don't make you rich overnight. They make you efficient. They give you back time. And in this new world, time is the real currency. AI is not replacing people, at least not yet. It's helping people who are ready to learn and adapt. The ones who experiment early will always have the advantage. So try 1 or 2 of these tools this week. See how they fit into your workflow. The more you explore, the more opportunities you'll find. If you found this video helpful, drop a comment, hit like, and subscribe. Let's keep learning how to use AI the smart way.